Hey guys, hope you're well. So today is going to be the second edition of my top fives. So the first one were face masks, which I'll link down below so you can go and check it out. But today we're going to be talking about nude lipsticks. You'll notice by what I'm about to show you that I particularly like a pinky nude, but there are a couple of different shades in here as well. So these are my all-time favourite nude lipsticks. I haven't covered liquid lipsticks or lip balms or anything today, just purely focused on lipstick. So if you want to see more that's outside of just a standard lipstick, then please comment below. And if you want to see anything else in my top five, then just also let me know. Top five mascaras, eyeshadow palettes, whatever it may be, I can definitely do that. But I thought I'd do nude lipstick today because everybody loves a nude lipstick and everybody can rock a nude lipstick. So anyway, we'll just get straight into it. So my first lipstick to talk about is the Gigi, Hadid and Maybelline collaboration that launched a few months ago, and this is McCall in one of their matte finish lipsticks. So this I've worn so much since I bought it. It's such an easy wearable nude, and it's one of those that also lasts a really, really long time. It's got this really it's a really comfortable wear, matte finish, but not like super matte in a really drying way. I also have the lip liner with it, which is really, really easy and really beautiful to draw on as well. It's just glides on like a dream. So I really, that's one of my favorite lip liners that I've ever used. So definitely those two together. Really loving. I'm wearing it on my lips now, so I'm going to put on every single one as I talk about them so you can actually see it on my lips while I'm talking about it. So the next one is an oldie but goodie. This one's been out for a really long time and there are loads of people that have it, and this is the classic MAC lipstick in Faux. So as you can see, it's a really pinky one. You could argue it's not really a nude, it's more of a pink, but for me, kind of this whole category are kind of nude lipsticks for me. Definitely love it. I'm also wearing it with the Dervish eye pencil. This one I think is a little bit old actually. It's kind of a little bit hard to actually put on. I probably need to get a new one, maybe I will, but that's that colour there. It's a satin finish, which I don't really know what that is. It's not a matte finish, but it's just super comfortable, super long wearing, and this is just a really classic kind of MAC lipstick. The next one I'm going to talk to you about is a Marc Jacobs lipstick in the colour Slow Burn. This is a little sample size that I got at a little Christmas cracker, but actually they're quite good because you do get quite a lot of product in there for a mini lipstick. But look how cute it is. You're probably watching this video and being like, there are no nude lipsticks here, Claire, what the hell is going on? But for me, I love like a pinky nude, and that's kind of what I would classify as a nude lipstick. But I do have lots of liquid lipsticks that are much more of a kind of nudie finish. So if you want to see more of that, then just let me know and I can just do that video as well. Just a really comfortable, really long wearing lipstick from Marc Jacobs in a really beautiful kind of pinky colour. So again, another one of my favourites. So next up is the really famous kind of cult product, which is the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick and eyeliner, both in Pillow Talk. So again, this is just another really gorgeous, really long wearing lipstick, which I am absolutely loving, and it comes looking a little bit like this, and I'm wearing it obviously right now. I have fallen in love with this. I've worn it so much since I got it. Thank you very much to my lovely sister who bought this for me for my birthday. She'd kill me if I didn't mention that it was her that bought it for me. But it's definitely kind of one of my favorites. I've worn it as a really great everyday kind of pinky nude, and it goes with everything, and I absolutely love it. And this eyeliner as well is such a dream to kind of put on. This is the Gigi Hadid one that I put on earlier. But it just draws on so easy, like I've barely had to press into my hand to draw that, and it's just gorgeous. So really loving Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. Something just fell over in the bathroom. So my final lipstick to share with you today, and it's probably my favourite and probably the truest nude that I have to share, is the Tarte Tarte Colour Splash lipstick in the colour Rum Punch. So again, this was like a deluxe sample size that I had, and look how, again, like the Marc Jacobs one, they're just so cute. But I will definitely buy the full size of this when it comes out. Obviously I'm wearing it right here. It's just the truest nude that I have, and I think it's just your lips but better, but just kind of a really nice kind of brownie nude, a little bit different from the pinky nudes that I've been used to wearing. But I absolutely love this. I'm not wearing it with any lip liner at the moment. I just literally throw it on, go out the house, keep it in my handbag, and it's just really easy to top up and just a really nice kind of everyday, very casual nude, which I really, really love. So this was just a very, very quick video today. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. So those are my top 5 lipsticks. They're all going to be listed in the description box below. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up if you like it. And I'll definitely see you in the next one. Oh, and if there is anything else that you want to see, top 5 this, top 5 that, then I'm really open to requests. Just let me know and I'll do that video for you guys. But have a great rest of the weekend. This is going up on Sunday, so enjoy your Sunday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.